Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 PK Ford Ranger Wildtrak, stock reference number 4144. This has a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. This vehicle has suffered a rollover. We have the right hand headlight, aftermarket Ironman steel bull bar with LED light, fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left rear 18-inch factory Wildtrak alloy mag with a good tyre. Tailgate has a few small dents. Wildtrak type rear bar, bumper bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy Wildtrak mag with a good tyre. Right front factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.